Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another haul. I had just went to Walmart and I got something that I had really needed, and that's the photography kit. Now I got this for $20 and it comes with the tripod, 3 lenses, the clicker where you can push to take a photo or start your video or stop it. It comes with this really bright light and also a pouch to carry it in, and this is for either digital cameras or cell phones. And so, as y'all know, I record all my videos on either my iPhone or my iPad or my Mac. So the next installment that I'll be getting is for my iPad. So I'm like really excited to be hands-free, because if y'all knew my struggle, literally I was stacking books, I was stacking boxes, I was stacking clothes, pillows, all of that to get the right angle. And it's just, it was a struggle. Okay, and then I got KK some boots. Look at that. And these was $10 at Walmart. And with these boots, oh god, well basically like you can take the inside of them out, like the fur out, and just wear like the regular boot, like if you want to show off their little socks or their feet. Like, it's so cute. But by us being in Arizona, I don't really need to, I can do it both ways because it's not snow, so it's cool. And I thought this was cute with her little clothes. Okay, and then I only got me 3 things. Literally the tripod kit, this tank top, and then I got a burgundy one. And the same thing, just burgundy. Okay, so what I got my KK is some little pins. And you know, Walmart run kind of small, so my baby is 12 months. And every time I buy her 12-month pants in Walmart, it be like knee high, but it supposed to be pants. So I got her 18 months, and this should fit perfect. I got 1 pair of lavender because KK got a lot of lavender t-shirts. Okay, and then I got her this cute little, oh god, that is so rude, my bad. And I got her these cute little shirts. And I got all her shirts in 12 months, because they do kind of run like big for some reason. So the pants run small and then the shirts run extra big. So that's what that looks like. And then I got her basic black pants. And I like these because you can pretty much wear like a different shirt with the same little pants. And I got this one. And this shirt was, no, the pants and that black top was $3.48. And then I got her a top. And see, this one is different. And this one was $4.48. That's how it look. Baby styling. And I don't know if I told y'all, but my baby is in daycare full time. So I'll be missing her. And I want her to look cute. And those pants was $3.48. And this shirt, Daddy's Love Me. And it's still in 12 months. And I like the color of that. Like, that color on that shirt, that's everything. I love, y'all know, if y'all don't know, I love everything neutral. Like, I cannot wait until I like start shopping for myself. For real. And it's just the matching pants. And once again, she got tan color like other t-shirts and stuff. And this is her little blue shirt. Beyond a cutie. Yes, you is, girl. And then I got her some little faux blue jeans. Okay, so a little backstory. For those who think Arizona is hot 24/7, you're wrong. About what, October-ish, it got really cold, so it dropped to like the 60s or 70s. It might seem hot like once you get here, but like if we been here for a while, so it is a cold to me. So my baby, literally, I gave away all her pants outfit, all her socks, because I'm like, oh, we ain't gonna never need this, you know. And here come October, I'm like, oh, it's kind of cold. It's cold enough for a jacket, y'all. So literally, I've been sending, before I bought this, I've been sending my baby to school in little shorts. I kind of felt like, oh, you know, once she in the building, she kind of warm. But still, I don't want to send my baby outside in some daggone shorts. So I got those clothes to start with. So my cheek is just around the corner. And I'm going to get her some more stuff. But I'm going to try other places. I'm going to probably do the rest of her stuff online. But in Arizona right now, they got this thing to where they got like porch thieves. I don't know what they call it. I have to find out. But anyway, like if you order like anything online or from Amazon, like people, and you leave your boxes outside, like people will steal your shit. Because, you know, it's Christmas season. So that's crazy. But all the best deals is now is like cyber deals. So y'all already know how that be. But yeah, so I'm gonna just get her like a few more things. I really want her in blue jeans. Like, I think that is so cute on her. I think that's so cute on her. Like, not the jeggings kind of look, but the actual real like baby blue jeans. I want to get her some of that. So, and then I still want to like get her like a whole bunch of little boots, even though it's kind of like they more for fashion versus like winter. So I don't know, but I just thought that was cute. And my total I spent today was $71.24. No, it was actually $65.60, but because, you know, tax, it turned out to be $71.24. And then the most expensive thing I got was my tripod. Everything else was literally under, what, $5. So yeah, and that was it, y'all. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because if you watch me and you still be watching me, like, you might as well go ahead and click that button so you would never forget me. Okay, you can always do the notification bell so you will never miss a video, bro. Look how awesome that is. You never fucking miss a video from me. Okay, from me or KK. Never miss a video. Just click the button. Okay, click the button. Because if you don't click the button, you're gonna be looking like, dang, when sis put a video up yesterday. So get on your P's and Q's, bro. Never miss a video. All right. I love y'all lots. I love y'all lots. And I love y'all lots. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.